Hey guys, Ryan Bell here at Watkins Construction in Jackson, Mississippi. We're in front of this beautiful home in the Meadowbrook Highlands neighborhood. As you can see behind us, it has the Owens Corning Berkshire shingles on it. Now, how we got to this roof and how we were able to get these Owens Corning Berkshire shingles on is a customer called us about a leak. So we came out here and we patched up that leak for him. And then we sat down and decided that we needed to really look at his entire roofing system. This home did have cedar shakes on it originally, and there were some issues with the cedar shakes. We had found some damages where cedar shakes had blown off. We sat down with the customer and really got them looking over the pros and cons of their current roofing system and a new roofing system. And we settled on what I think is the best shingle on the market, the Owens Corning Berkshire line of shingles. It was a long test. We used all of our tools necessary to put the shingles on this home. This is a thick shingle. Not very many people have it. It's very unique. It's a luxury shingle and it stands the test of time.